This is Gracia and today I am going to start with the second part of the fraction, that is addition and subtraction of fraction. It's very simple, very easy. Now we'll see about it. Okay. If I want to add it, I'll talk about a simple fraction 4 upon 3 plus 6 upon 3. Now always remember, when the denominator are same, then only we can add. Means same denominator, that is the first condition. Then only you can add and subtract. When it is the same denominator, then only you can add or subtract. Then you cannot subtract the fraction because both the fractions are different. Both the fractions are different. So I will divide. So what it will be? You are not going to add 3 and 3. It is not your, that is a wrong. Only you have to add only numerator. 4 plus 6 is what? 10. So 10 upon 3. Can I simplify this? No. 10 and 3 will not come in any of the table. So this is a basic condition. Now I will take about 6 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. Here first thing, is the denominator same? Yes, it is same. Now we'll subtract it. 6 minus 1 is what? 5. Now 5 upon 5. We know 5 and 5 comes in 5 table. I can simplify it. 5 ones are 1. So the answer is 1 student. So this is a way you have to add and subtract. But what happens when the denominator is different? So how we will do it? We'll see that. Okay, a fraction you can add n number of it. Is not necessary you are going to add only 2 fractions. Okay. Now we'll see that. I am going to take 4 upon 5 plus 13 upon 20. So what I am going to do? I am going to take 5 and 20. You know, everyone know what is LCM. I was teaching what is LCM and all. Now I am going to take 5 and 20. So 5, I'll put that here. 5, 20, I'll take LCM. You know, everyone know what is LCM. If you don't know, please refer my videos to find it how LCM is carried out. Now 5 and 20, think of a number where 5 and 20 comes 5 table. Now 5, 1s are 4s are. Now 4 will come in 2 table. 1, 2s are. Now 2. Now this is there 5 into 2 into 2 into 4. So the answer is 20. So the LCM is 20 student. Now what you are going to do? I'll take 4 upon 5. Now what number I should multiply with the denominator? I'm not talking about numerator. With the denominator says that I should get 20. 4. So I'll put 4. Even in numerator also I'll put 4. Where what number you're putting in the denominator, you're going to put the same number. So 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. Did I get the denominator 20? Now we'll move to the 13. 20. Now again, what number I should multiply to get 20? It is 20 only. So I'll multiply by 1 upon 1. So 13 upon 20. Now can we add now, student? Yes, you can add it. So 16 upon 20 plus 13 upon 20. Now you'll put common denominator like this, 16. You can write like this also, student. So that will be easy for you. The common is 20. I'll add it now. It will be 29 upon 20. So this is the way addition of fraction is carried out. Okay, now we'll see about the subtraction, student. We'll see about the subtraction. Okay, fine. Now I will see 1 upon 4 plus, not 1, minus. We are going to subtract it. Is the denominator same? No, student. So I will take the LCM. 4 comma 8. I will take the LCM, student. So 4 and 8 comes in 2 table. 2 4s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. Now I will take 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Now next thing again 2 1 1. So we got it. Now we will get the LCM as 2 into 2 into 2. So the answer is 8. The answer is 8. Now we'll change it. Now 1 upon 4 comes in 4 table. But in 4 table 8 comes, right? So I'll multiply a number. Says the denominator should be 8. So what it will be? 2. So I'll put again 2 in the numerator. So 2 upon 8. Did we get the 8 as a denominator? We'll move to the next one. 1 upon 8. Into 1 upon 8. So it will be 1 upon 8 only. Now can we carry out the subtraction because denominator same? So 2 upon 8 minus 1 upon 8. So the answer is 1 upon 8. Okay students, so this is the way the addition and subtraction of fraction is carried out. Now we'll see the last part of the fraction chapter. What it is about, if the fraction is given, we have to find the fraction of a quantity. What does that mean is that a particular amount is given, student. You have to find the portion of it. You have to find the portion of it, student. So how we will do it? Okay, how we will do it? I'll tell you very easy way of doing it. If you understood the simplification, of a fraction, then it will be very easy. Okay, I will start that. Like for example, I'm talking about a quantity. If I have a total quantity as $8, students. So I wanted 1/4 means this is a fraction. So I want 1/4 of the amount. So I'll simply multiply with that. So what it will be? You have to cancel 4 ones are 2s are. Now 1 into 2 is 2. So $2. So I will get $2 as a portion. So this is the way we carried out. But when they specify the unit, you have to write the unit. It's very, very important. If I'm talking about 1/6 of 18 kilometer of. So instead of I'll put into of 18 kilometer. I'll put it in 6 table. 18 comes for 3 times. So 1 into 3 is 3 kilometer. You have to write the unit. Understood? Now we'll see the next one also. 3 upon 7 into 28 centimeter. This is 3 upon 7 of 28 centimeter. In 7 table 21, 8 comes for, you cannot cancel numerator. You can cancel numerator with denominator or with denominator with numerator. So 7 ones are 4s are. Now what is remaining? 3. So 3, between them there is multiplication. So 3 into 3, 4 is how much? 3 into 4 is how much, student? 12. So 12 centimeter. This is all about finding the fractions of a quantity. Okay, students. How to compare the fractions? Now, to compare the fractions, for example, I am talking about 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 10. Okay, 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 10. Okay, so what it will be? Students? It's very simple over here. It will be like okay, student. I'll tell one easy way of doing it. What you do multiplication. How you will do it? Put a arrow like this. 1 tens is how much? 10. Now, always remember the arrow should be here. So 3 into 4 is how much? 12. I'll put here. This side you multiply, this side. 1 tens are 10 you have to put. 3 fours are. Now which one is greater, student? This one. Understood? So I will conclude that 3 upon 10 is greater than 1 upon 4. This is a trick, student. This is not a traditional way of doing it. This is a trick. Okay. Now how you have to carry out with the normal mathematics? I'll tell you that also. What is it? Take LCM of 4 and 10. You will find that after taking LCM, 2 2s are, 5s are, again 2 1s are. 5 will not come in 2 table. 5 1s are. So what it will be, student? It will be 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So it will be 20, students. So the LCM is 20. So I got 20 as LCM. Now what you do? 1 4. I have to make denominator 20. So how we will do? I will multiply that. I'll multiply with what number? We know 4 5s are 20. So I'll write 20. Here also same number I have to put. So it will be 5 upon 20. Now second thing, 3 upon 10. Now what number I will take to get 20? In 10 table 20 comes 2 times. So I'll write 2. Here also 2. So 6 upon 20. Now we'll compare which. Now denominator are same. Only we have to compare the numerator. So 5 and 6. So which one? Always remember, when we compare the fraction, we have to compare the numerator, not the denominator. Now when we compare it, 6 upon 20. And what is the corresponding? 3 upon 10. So 3 upon 10 is greater than 1 upon 4. The last time also we got the same answer. So you can do that way or you can do this way. Both are correct. So this is all about the fraction, students. I hope you understood. First thing, you should know about LCM. Second thing is that you should know the proper table. Without the table, you cannot do this fraction sums. Okay, students, I hope you understood. If you want more videos, please subscribe my channel and please like the videos, and thank you for the support, and take care, and we'll see you in the next lecture. Bye, student. Please put it in the comment, and if you have a doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay, and another thing is that the second part I'll be doing in the next lecture. Okay, bye, students, and please subscribe my channel, and thank you for the support.